Hey everyone, welcome to Dish. Let's talk about bacon. Now it's time to show your bacon who's boss. No more standing over the stove, flipping it, getting grease everywhere. The easiest way, bake your bacon. Baked bacon cooks flat and doesn't curl up, so it's nice and even. No need to turn the bacon. No grease burns on your skin. No grease stains on your clothes. No grease splatters all over the stove. It frees up space on your stovetop so you can cook other things. And cleanup is so easy. Here's how to cook your bacon in the oven. Step 1, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Step 2, put a piece of foil over a cookie sheet and then put a rack over that foil. Step 3, put your bacon on the rack and then put the whole thing in your preheated oven. Step 4, let it bake. Cook it to its desired crispiness. Floppy, crispy, burnt. Actually, don't do floppy, no one likes that, that's gross. It'll take about 20 minutes to get to the nice, perfect, crispy texture. And seriously, that's it. The easiest way to cook bacon. If you have a tip you'd like to share, please leave a comment. For more bacon recipes, visit us at allrecipes.com. Be happy, eat bacon.